This YouTube channel has over 6 million subscribers, and this one has 1.86 million, and this has 1.63 million subscribers. Their every video gets thousands of views each. Some of their most popular ones even reached millions of views. Even though their videos mainly consist of simple pictures with voiceovers, they are earning a good amount of money every month. Today, in this video, I will share with you how you can utilize ChatGPT and Fliki to create multiple faceless story YouTube videos in just a matter of minutes. But, before we get started, please subscribe to my channel as it helps you to get more tutorial videos like this. So, let's dive right in and start creating. Alright, first of all, we are going to ChatGPT. Here, I will ask ChatGPT to give me some very short story ideas for someone who is wasting time over social media and doesn't want to work or study. As you can see, ChatGPT has started giving you some ideas. I will choose this one, The Virtual Mentor. It's a story about a teenage boy Max, who spends most of his time on social media and meets a mentor who encourages him to study hard. Now, I will ask ChatGPT to write a short story on this topic. So, once it's done writing the story, all you have to do is just copy the story. The next step is to create the voice. Go to 11 Labs. I'm going to use this tool because it can generate the voice like a real person and it's free. All you have to do is paste the story which you have created using GPT and select whichever voice you like. Now click Generate. You can download your audio from here. Now, go to fliki.ai. I'm going to show you a great video feature that I haven't found in other tools. Here, you get over 1,000 voices in over 70 languages, text-to-video features, a voice cloning feature to clone your own voice, and much more. For all the features you might need a paid plan. But for now, we will use only the free plan. I have given the links to all the tools used in this video in the description. You can copy from there. Once you've signed in, you got 3 options to choose from. You can make a podcast or an audiobook, but right now, we are going to make a video. Go to Files and select New Files, give it a name, and click Submit. Go back to ChatGPT, copy your story, and paste it here. Fliki will automatically suggest footage based on the story. But, if you don't like any of the images, then, you can change them by clicking on them. Here, you can search for the image you want, or you can upload the images from your device, or, even you can generate images that need to be specific to the story. It's a great feature of Fliki. It is a text-to-image generator, similar to Dolly or Midjourney. Here, you can insert a description of an image, and Fliki's AI will generate it. Now, we need a description for each paragraph to generate images. Again, you can use ChatGPT for this as well. Fill in the description and hit enter. The AI text-to-image generator will generate an image based on your description. If you like the image, click Use this art. If not, you can hit Regenerate. Keep in mind that generating images costs credits, so don't be too picky. Continue this until you get all the images. Now, go to the video settings. Here, change the video size from square to landscape. And adjust all the settings according to your need. Now, let's choose the voices. Fliki has a vast library of voices. Select one that you like. And click Apply this voice to all. The last step is to select background music. Click on Choose File from the top left corner and pick the music you like from this list, or you can add your own music by clicking on My Library. Now our video is ready. Let's have a look.
Once in a world where technology and innovation merged seamlessly, there existed a remarkable virtual mentor, an AI program designed to inspire and guide young minds on their path to greatness. Meet Alex, a curious and imaginative teenager who often felt overwhelmed by the expectations placed upon them. Struggling to find their true passion, Alex spent hours aimlessly surfing the internet and doubting their abilities. One day, While scrolling through an online forum, they stumbled upon an intriguing post about the virtual mentor.
You can download your video by clicking this download button. Let me know in the comments if you like the tutorial, and as always, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.